Don't push it yet. Where is she?
She's still
Here she comes.
She's still
You push that hand when she comes in, okay? Not yet. Show her the bear first before you push it. Okay? Ryan, we're in here.
Ryan.
Look at the bear.
Ryan, to see it?
Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell rock. Jingle bell time, jingle bell time. Dancing and prancing in Jingle Bell Square. In the frosty air. What a fun
Where are you going?
it's a bright time to rock the night away. A jingle bell time is a swell time. To go riding in a one-horse sleigh.
Ryan, you don't like it? It's a bear. No? You don't like it? You turn it off?
I can't turn it off.
Okay.
Now turned off already.
No, go put it over there. Oh.